Hey guys, so I'm just trying to give you this update about my dog Dakota. It's okay, Lori. It's okay, love. I'm gonna give you this update about Dakota because she's not feeling that good of it. So if you want to give some prayers in the comments down below, you can do that, or you just send me a positive note in the comments about my dog Dakota, because she's really a smart girl and she doesn't feel good. So please do not play mean comments. But if they're not disabled, you should comment. And yeah, but this is an update. Dakota does not feel good anymore. She threw up last night, watering. Then she looked at it. They gave her some medicine. They said that they're giving Dakota some medicine, like all that stuff to make her feel better. So if you want me to if you want so if you want Dakota to feel better, just put them in the comments. Bye.